I was covering Rajiv Gandhi in Bhopal, and Pataudi was standing for election, and he was campaigning for Pataudi, Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi.
Really? Achha.
Yeah, he was campaigning for him there, and he was there, and about 15 days or 13 days or whatever. And I was covering his thing, और वो हम दूर पे बैठे थे, and all the reporters and all वो आगे आगे जा रहे थे, and I looked at this podium जहाँ पे वो खड़े थे, and it was looking very rickety. मैंने कहा ये तो टूटने वाला है, you know, in this, and 11 o'clock at night and all that. So then he just said like this towards us कि आगे आ जाओ, like पीछे क्यों खड़े हो, आगे आ जाओ, because everybody was coming front and all that. So my cameraman Ramesh, he told me, he said, ma'am, PM साहब आपको आगे बुला रहे. They used to call him PM even though he was not PM.
Correct.
Chandrasekhar was PM, but you know that aura.
They thought that he will become prime minister.
He will become prime minister or whatever.
Prabhakaran thought the same way and got him killed.
So he said, PM साहब आपको आगे बुला रहे हैं. तो मैंने कहा मैं ऊपर नहीं चढ़ने वाली भैया, मैं गिर जाऊंगी, मेरे को ये पोडियम बड़ा ही हल्का लग रहा है. But I was just saying how things turn, that I didn't go towards the podium because I thought, but you know, it was like that. Everybody was going towards him. There was no security around him. There was nothing. Absolutely. Election का माहौल, former prime minister, कुछ भी नहीं. And a person whose mother was assassinated. There was nothing. There were people around him, and there were reporters who went with him on another coverage, and they said that when he put his arm, मतलब sleeve ऐसे जब कर रहे थे, there were marks like this on his thing because people used to come and touch him. इतनी करीब आ रहे थे लोग. So it was, I didn't, when it actually happened, I wasn't surprised. Because I saw it myself कि 15 दिन पहले this has happened.
He did it everywhere.
He would go towards people, he would go near. There was no system of security.
He was very careless about his security. And you know, one day, just a digression, one day, as you know, that it was raining, and he along with his wife, they were going in car, and he used to go like that. And so they started chasing him. I mean, the security people started chasing. At one particular point of time, what happened that he stopped the vehicle and took the keys and threw it. And he went, you understand? In the sense that he used to be on his own, and he was that way, he was popular, and he wanted to be like that, come closer to people.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.